Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Bauer. It's Thursday. Yay! I can't believe that it's already Thursday. My goodness. Well, let's get started with our morning meeting. And today is Thursday, April 9th, 2020. Say that with me. Today is Thursday, April 9th, 2020. And the short form for that is 4-9-20. All right. Well, since it's Thursday, boys and girls, do you know what that means? It's Tell a Joke Thursday. Yay! Thanks for the great idea, Anara. Anara said, Mrs. Bauer, let's keep this going. And I think that's a great idea. So today, boys and girls, for your sharing, you're going to share another joke. And if you don't feel comfortable telling a joke, you can draw a silly picture, something that gets us all laughing. All right, so here is Mrs. Bauer sharing. What's black and white and red all over? It's a newspaper. Do you get it? The words are black, the paper is white, and it's red all over. But I don't mean the color red. I mean that the people have read it all over from top to bottom, front page to back page. That's a good one. You should do that one to somebody today. All right, let's look at our schedule for today. Okay, let me move my face over here a little bit. And here we are. We're up here on Thursday. We're doing our morning meeting right now, boys and girls. And today you have in Seesaw the story called Honk. And if you remember correctly, we are in the unit right now called Fiction for our Be a Writer. And we are in the middle of telling animal stories. We started that quite a long time ago because this is our biggest unit for writing in second grade and learning all about fiction and the different parts of fiction. So this story, we started with Dogzilla. Do you remember that? And then we read Brave Charlotte. And now we're going to be reading Honk. This is about a very, very sweet swan. Oh, her name is Mimi, and Mimi has a dream. Oh my goodness, Mimi wants to be a ballerina. So you're going to have to read this book. And I think it's Miss Hagee that's reading it to you today. After you're done with that, you're going to write another animal story in your writing notebook. Then you have read to self and work on Lexia today. Now, boys and girls, today you do not have to read your story to Mrs. Bauer because I want to tell you that tomorrow for your reading homework or your reading work at school, I should say, tomorrow you're going to record yourself reading your animal story. But don't do it today. Today you just write. And I'm going to just believe that you did your writing. You don't even have to show it to me because tomorrow you're going to practice it 3 times and then you're going to record yourself reading your story. Okay? Now, for math today, you are going to be working on actually your unit of inquiry, on sharing the planet. I will resubmit the planet choice board. Oh, wait, I said that wrong. I'm sorry, boys and girls. I thought we already did that. Okay, let me back up a little bit. Boys and girls, today you are going to get a plant choice board. It's one of those things where you click on each square and then it brings you to a link. And I'm going to put it in your Seesaw for unit of inquiry. And today you're going to do board box numbers 1 and box numbers 2. Tomorrow we'll do 3 and 4, but for today we're going to do 1 and 2. So number 1, you get to watch a plant grow in real time. It's pretty cool. I shouldn't really say real time because they made the video go fast so you can see it grow. And then you have a brain pop, parts of plants that I'm going to put into your assignments. Now I want to say something, boys and girls, and I want you to listen really closely. I'm checking off the work that everybody does. And I'm noticing that some of these brain pops are not getting done. And here's what I figured out. You have to do the brain pops through the assignment tab. It's not even really a tab. When you open up your brain pop, the very top part of it is called your dashboard. There is a little bell shape up there with a number in it. Those are your assignments, boys and girls. So for example, if you click on that bell, all of your assignments from Mrs. Bauer for Brain Pop are going to open up and you'll see them in there. But let's say that this week you didn't do that. Let's say on Tuesday when you were supposed to watch pictographs and do the easy quiz, let's say, for example, that you just wrote the word pictographs into the search bar and you found it, right? And you watched it and you probably even took the easy quiz. But guess what? That doesn't record into Mrs. Bauer's gradebook. It doesn't show me that you did it. The only way that Mrs. Bauer can figure out if you're doing your brain pop assignments is if you go through that little bell and you click on the assignment. So let's make sure that we're going to try and do that today when I put parts of plants in there. You'll notice I didn't even put the title of the brain pop in there because I don't want you to try to search it for yourself. I want you to find it today in the assignments. Okay? And then you're going to do Dreambox for 20 minutes. Today you have Fayed, so make sure that you find your Fayed folder. Also, library was new yesterday, boys and girls. So if you did not do library yesterday because maybe you don't have a library folder in your Seesaw, will you please comment on this and let Mrs. Bauer know? I think some of the students in second grade got skipped on the library folder, and I just want to make sure that everybody in our class was able to do that yesterday. I think Mrs. Bauer is going to be putting in some more Fenway and Hattie for today and tomorrow. I just have to record those and then I'll get those in there. So, still a busy day today, still going to be a busy day tomorrow. We're going to work so that when the weekend comes, we can have some fun. All right, boys and girls, have a great day. You are in my heart as always. I think about you all the time and I tell stories about you all the time. And I know that I'm going to see you again and that I'm going to get a big hug from you. I'm positive about that. Well, I could say that I'm positive that I'm going to see you for sure. And I'm really excited for when that day comes. Boys and girls, I hope you have a great day. I hope you work hard. I hope you're becoming more independent so that your parents can do their job and you can do your job. It's really a good test for us to see how independent and how much integrity we have. Remember, integrity, always doing the right thing even when nobody's looking. That's really important when we're doing our distance learning. Have a great day, everybody.